guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to unlock certain information. Like, let's say if you wanted to unlock here, these cells might be locked so people don't mess with them, and you want to be able to unlock it. So we're just gonna grab everything in that column that we want to unlock. We're gonna go to format cells, and then protection. We're gonna unlock that. Press OK. So now that's unlocked. And then let's just say we want to protect the sheet. So we'll protect the sheet. So now we want to protect it because we need more time to work on it. We don't want people messing with it. So we're going to protect the sheet. We're going to put protect sheet, and you could put a password here if you wanted to. I'm not going to put one, but it's for example. And that's it. Just press OK. And then pretty much at that point, it's protected, and you're good to go. So that's it.